Hello friends, today I will discuss the BCS theory of superconductivity. Introduction. A qualitative discussion of a successful theory of superconductivity was given by three scientists, Bardeen, Cooper and Schrieffer, known as BCS theory after the initials of their names. This theory explains the why superconductors are superconductors. Electron-phonon interaction. BCS theory showed that the basic interaction responsible for superconductivity appears to be that of a pair of electrons by means of an interchange of virtual phonons. This is explained as follows. Suppose an electron having energy E approaches a positive ion core. It suffers attractive Coulomb interaction. It will lose its energy to ion core. Thus the energy of the electron will be E minus K. I will explain like this. Suppose this is our positive ion core, positive ion crystal, atom, and electron having energy E. Electron having energy E will approach this atom and it will lose its energy to the atom, and now after losing the energy of the electron will become minus K. Simultaneously, another electron will approach having energy E, and this energy plus K loosed by the first electron to the positive atom will be gained by the second electron. This virtual exchange of energy is called phonon. I repeat, suppose an electron having energy E approaches a positive ion core, as I discussed in figure. It suffers attractive Coulomb interaction. It will lose its energy K to the ion core. Thus the energy of the electron will be E minus K. Due to this attraction, ion core is set in motion and thus distorts that lattice. Let a second electron having energy E come in the way of distorted lattice, and interaction between the two occurs and the energy gained by the ion core will be transferred to the second electron. The second electron will have energy E plus K. Thus there is exchange of virtual energy called phonon in between two electrons through the positive ion crystal. So in superconductors there is continuously exchange of energy in between electrons, and due to this exchange of energy, superconductors are superconductors by nature. That is, they have almost infinite superconductivity. The two electrons therefore interact indirectly via lattice distortion or the phonon field, therefore lowering the energy of electrons. This type of interaction is called as electron-electron interaction through phonons. There are very important terms in superconductivity in BCS theory. The first one is that is very important, that is Cooper pairs. The fundamental postulate of BCS theory is that the superconductivity occurs when an attractive interaction mentioned, I have discussed above, between two electrons by means of a phonon exchange dominate the usual repulsive Coulomb interaction. Two such electrons, this is the main definition, two such electrons having equal and opposite spin and momentum which interact attractively in the phonon field through the positive ion crystal are called Cooper pair. Coherence length. The paired electrons are not scattered and can maintain their coupled motion up to certain distance, called the coherence length. It is a measure of the distance within which the gap parameter does not change very much in varying magnetic field. This was the explanation of the BCS theory. You can say this is a scientific explanation of the BCS theory. Now let us discuss a very easy explanation. What is lattice? Lattice, it is simply means joining of atoms to make a solid. Current or electricity will pass through the lattice through electrons, of course. Imagine that atoms are continuously vibrating, or suppose group of your friends make lattice. Now suppose group of your friends make lattice and you are dancing like anything Thus electrons will try to pass through vibrating atoms and there will be continuous exchange of energy. And in dancing example, I am trying, because I am dancing, I am trying to pass through dancing friends and will collide with them and will reach the destination after colliding with friends and transferring and gaining energy from them. I explain, suppose group of your friends make lattice and you are dancing like anything. And I am trying to pass through dancing friends, will collide with them, will reach the destination after colliding with friends and transferring and gaining energy from them. This is exactly that happens in BCS theory, that electrons will try to pass through vibrating atoms, and during this passing through vibrating atoms there will be continuous exchange of energy in between two electrons, and this leads to the superconductivity. This is the BCS theory of superconductivity. For further reference, please search our website venusscience.com. Please subscribe and like our channel. If you want laser ebook, please email venusscience@gmail.com. Thank you. Thanks a lot.